Hello and welcome. Today we are showcasing the BIRITALO 360W Outdoor LED Stadium Floodlight, a super bright solution delivering 52,200 lumens with 5500K daylight color temperature. Designed for easy wall mounting, this floodlight features a quick install bracket allowing secure placement without complex steps, though safety is important when installing at heights. It uses efficient LED 3030 beads with a high CRI over 82, providing excellent color accuracy while saving up to 85% on electricity compared to traditional lights. Built with durable die-cast aluminum and IP65 waterproof rating, this light is perfect for harsh outdoor conditions and has a lifespan of over 60,000 hours. The powerful 360-watt output illuminates up to 3,720 square feet, ideal for basketball courts, arenas, parking lots, and barns. Its integrated IP66 waterproof power supply and corrosion-resistant powder coating ensure long-term stable performance in any weather. Lastly, the floodlight comes with a 5-year warranty and responsive customer support for any installation or usage questions. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.